Sony SRS-NS7. First up, we have the Sony SRS-NS7, a neckband speaker that delivers a personalized surround sound experience. Sony, known for their musical expertise, brings us a cool gadget that analyzes the shape of your ears and creates the perfect virtual Dolby Atmos speakers. This 6-watt system gives each user an individualized sound field, providing an immersive audio experience. The flexible neckband allows for comfortable wear during a relaxing night in or an intense virtual gaming battle. Plus, it boasts up to 12 hours of battery life on a single charge, all this for just $162. Cryptex USB flash drive. Next, we have the Cryptex USB flash drive, inspired by Dan Brown's novel The Da Vinci Code. This flash drive cleverly hides inside a Cryptex storage system made of zinc, brass, and leather. If you don't know the code, you can't access the USB. It offers various storage capacities ranging from 16 to 256 gigabytes, and each drive comes with a velvet pouch for safekeeping. For $50, you can grab the 64 gigabyte version and keep your data secure and secret.
Holoepet. Remember Tamagotchis? Well, the Holoepet brings the tradition back with a holographic pet jellyfish. This unit displays different emotions and can also function as a clock, weather station, Bluetooth player, or nightlight. The price hasn't been announced yet, but keep an eye out for this cool gadget.
Kodak Step Printer. Kodak is back on our list with their Step Printer, a mini photo printer that lets you print 5x8cm photos directly from your smartphone. Thanks to the Kodak Step app, editing your photos is easy and fun. On a single charge, you can print up to 25 pictures. Plus, the printer is resistant to moisture, stains, and tears, making it perfect for on-the-go use. Slip this $70 printer into your pocket and take it wherever you go for instant photo fun. Grabo Pro-Lifter. If you work with various materials, you need the Grabo Pro-Lifter. This revolutionary electric suction cup features a vacuum pump that makes lifting materials a breeze. The digital display provides real-time data, including load capacity and battery life. With a 170 kilogram load capacity, this lifter can handle metal, glass, ceramics, wood, and more. A full battery offers up to 900 cycles or 90 minutes of continuous work. Priced at $300, it's a worthwhile investment for professionals and DIYers alike. Hatch Restore. Next, we have Hatch Restore, an alarm clock that imitates the sunrise. It helps you wake up gently with both sound and light. The creators claim that after 2 weeks of use, 59% of users reported reduced stress levels, and 24% felt more energetic. This alarm clock comes with a variety of settings, such as adjustable brightness and light shade, as well as a library of nature sound. Compatible with Android and iOS phones, it also functions as a nightlight. Get yours for $130. Nitecore TM26 Quadray power outages can strike at any time, so it's essential to have a reliable flashlight like the Nitecore TM26 Quadray. This flashlight offers a beam range of 454 meters and 8 operating modes. Its heat-dissipating fins protect against overheating, while the ATR system automatically reduces brightness. Plus, it can withstand immersion in water up to 2 meters deep and features a toughened mineral glass lens. The built-in OLED display shows runtime temperature and other essential data. Grab one for $250. Nicron N7 Flashlight. For just $18, the Nicron N7 Flashlight is a budget-friendly option for outdoor activities. It's resistant to immersion in water and can withstand a 1.2-meter drop. Some reviews even mention it survived being frozen. The Samsung LED provides a beam range of 126 meters, and the upper part of the flashlight can rotate 90 degrees. The magnetic insert allows you to securely attach it to metal surfaces, making it handy in the garage or workshop. Capstone Smart Mirror Wardrobe. Imagine having a smart mirror that can check your email, play music, and give you fashion advice. The Capstone Smart Mirror Wardrobe offers all of that and more. With a 152cm height, it's perfect for assessing your appearance. The mirror connects to your smartphone via Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, providing access to beauty tutorials and fashion guides. The price is around $800, and it's a stylish addition to any modern home or dressing room. Ocoopa Union 5. For the adventurers out there, the Ocoopa Union 5 is a modular hand warmer and power bank in one. Weighing just 240 grams, it easily fits into your jacket or raincoat pocket without getting in the way. With 4 heat levels starting at 63 degrees Celsius, you can stay warm during camping or hiking trips. The quick reload system lets you replace the battery easily, and the price starts at just $30. NEMO Stargaze Reclining Camp Chair. Next up is the NEMO Stargaze trademark reclining camp chair, a clever rocking chair that offers ultimate comfort on any surface. Its low center of gravity provides excellent stability, while the chair's curved vertical supports and spacious headrests make it ideal for broad-shouldered individuals. The chair's automatic tilt system ensures continuous comfort by adapting to your movements. Constructed with aircraft aluminum, the frame handles loads up to 136 kilograms and is available in 5 colors. Get yours for $300 and enjoy a new level of relaxation on your camping trips. Whether you're stargazing by the campfire or enjoying a sunset by the lake, the NEMO Stargaze trademark reclining camp chair will make your outdoor experience more enjoyable. Bagletti Unique Suitcase. Travel just got a lot more comfortable with the Bagletti Unique Suitcase. Not only is it a stylish suitcase, but it also transforms into a bed or chair, perfect for long layovers at the airport. With an integrated power bank, you can charge your devices on the go. Plus, the suitcase's wheel folding mechanism allows you to save space. Choose between 2 sizes and experience ultimate convenience on your travels. Can you imagine how great it would be to catch a nap or relax comfortably while waiting for your next flight? The Bagletti Unique Suitcase makes it possible. Its innovative design not only makes traveling easier, but also adds a whole new level of convenience when you're on the move. Plus, the built-in power bank means you won't have to worry about finding an outlet to charge your devices during your trip. AirBar. First up, we have the AirBar. This nifty little device transforms your laptop screen into a touchscreen with ease. It's USB powered and sits just below your laptop screen, making it compatible with both Mac and Windows PCs. With multi-touch finger support and easy integration into Mac OS, you can perform various gestures like swipes and pinches seamlessly. It even attaches using built-in magnets, ensuring a secure fit. Imagine the convenience of turning your laptop into a touchscreen device without having to buy an expensive new laptop. Whether you're an artist who wants to sketch directly on the screen or a business professional who wants to use swipe gestures during a presentation, the AirBar can breathe new life into your old laptop and give it a modern update.
Outdoor solar wall light. Light up your home with outdoor solar wall lights. You can get a pack of 4 for around $15. These lights feature 100 diodes powered by a solar panel with a motion sensor. They offer 270-degree illumination and boast a lifespan of 30,000 hours. Moen Flow Smart Water Leak. Detector next, we have the Moen Flow Smart Water Leak Detector. Water damage costs an estimated $13 billion annually in the US alone, so this $30 sensor is a small price to pay for peace of mind. It continuously monitors for leaks and notifies you if one is detected. For added protection, complement the sensor with a system to automatically shut off the water in case of a leak. Hairy herbs. Grow your own herbs with Hairy Herbs pots. These pots use traditional or hydroponic methods and are perfect for microgreens and other herbs. Enjoy your harvest in just 3 or 4 days for $42.50. Eufy Floodlight, Cam, E340, the Eufy Floodlight. Cam, E340, is a security device that stands out from the rest. It offers a 360-degree horizontal view and can track people up to 15 meters away. The camera also doubles as a light source, and you can view footage via Wi-Fi or using a micro SD card. Get this versatile camera for $220.